Hi, my name is Sam and this is a Avizo 9.0 tutorial. So in this tutorial we will cover a lot of stuff based on surfaces and how to use them, how to interact with them, and how to use the different patches and to create new surfaces. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click Open Data, and we're going to go down to Tutorials, and we're going to go to Motor. We're going to open Motor and Motor Labels and Motor Surface. We're going to open all of these, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is just turn off the volume rendering so that I have auto go. So next thing we're going to look at the surface. Notice how it has different colors. So when you do these labels, you can see that it has all these different materials, right? So each of these materials corresponds to a different part of the surface. So let's say I only want one part of this surface. Let's say I only want this purple stuff, this purple part. So I just go to segmentation, and I find which part that is. So it's material 6. So that I can go into this surface view and select all the materials, but don't select material 6. Or select all the material. Don't select any of them except material 6. And then you just click clear, and this will be like this. If you see something that doesn't look correct, like this, you just need to mess with the culling mode. See? So it can look different ways. So it can look like this. Back face culling calls the back face and not the front face. Front face calls the front face. And no culling at all doesn't destroy it at all. So then once we have this, we can use this one to create a new surface from that. And now this surface will only contain this part. So we can use this so we can animate each of these parts. So the next thing about surfaces is the draw style. So there's many different draw styles. So the first one is outlines. So this outlines every single triangle in it, as you can see. There's shaded, which just has a shaded part, none of the triangles. There's lines, which just shows the triangles with colors on them. And then there's points, which is just a point of every single, it's a voxel. Each of those voxels is just a tiny point with the color assigned to it. And then there's also transparent. Transparent is very much like shaded, except you can adjust the transparency to 100% and all of that. You can also change the color with transparency and shaded from normal to constant to patch. Okay? So what this buffer thing does is it allows you to remove and add different parts of the surface into your display. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another Avizo 9.0 tutorial. Please use your suggestions for other tutorials in the comments below. And don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button.